In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Discord server you made. So basically it's pretty easy. Now I will show you how to do it on your laptop or PC, but you can do the same way on your mobile. So this tutorial will be helpful for both for PCs and for mobile phones. So the steps are quite the same. So all we need is just to find the necessary server. So open the Discord, and then in the left side menu you can find all the available servers. So you need to find the servers you created. For example, this one is called Twitch. It was created by me. As you can see, there is no one inside, so this is just the empty server I created for this video. So how can we delete this server? It's pretty easy. Basically all we need is just to click on this icon with the help of right mouse, and then just go to server settings. So just click on it, and now we are on the settings page. We can do a lot of different things here, but to delete the server, in the left side menu just scroll down to the end to find the bottom, and here we can see the option to delete our server. So click on it and then just click delete once more. After that, all we need is just to prove our action with the Discord code if you turned on the two-factor authentication, but honestly I don't want to delete it. So this is the way how you can do this with your server. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.